This is my testimony about 15 of my family members who have unfortunately become the victims of ongoing genocide committed by China on Uyghurs and Kazakhs. My name is مُحەممەتئېلى. Currently I'm living in the United States. Almost nobody is safe from the brutality in my family. Of the 15, one is my own brother, 6 are my uncles, 4 are cousins, and the remaining 4 are my extended family members. This is my brother, Najibullah Ablat. Now the 6 uncles, Habib Rahman Ibrahim, Abdullah Ibrahim, Majid Yusuf, Abdulmajid Yusuf, Qari Hashim, Abdulmajid Emin, Namtahun Rahim. Now the cousins, Musa-Ali Abdurrahim, Bohisham Abdulmajid, Sani Gul Mehmet, and Muhammad Habib Rahman. Now the extended family members, Rozajan Abdurrahman, Majid Yusuf, and Abduwari, and his son Ablajan Abduwari. China says that they are offering, quote, re-education, unquote, but this is nothing but a lie. Because my family members are cardiologists, retired teacher, business owner, landowner, truck driver, orchardist. They have more than enough to live their life in the way that they want. More ironically, 4 of my uncles are at the age of 65. Do you think they need a job training at this age? What they need is not job training, rather the freedom to live their life in the way that they want. So I call upon international community and world leaders to take real, meaningful action to stop this ongoing genocide. Please do not get fooled by the dirty Chinese money. Thank you.